And now, the last company of today is Shenzhen Pi Software Technology Limited. Welcome.
All right, everybody. So it's not morning anymore, so I cannot say good morning. Sorry. So today we have seen a lot of amazing products. We're the last one, so I want to introduce you something different, which means it's not a final product. So what we provide you, first of all, who we are, what we serve, why us, and how to cooperate. So who we are not product producer. We are a technology solution provider focused on panoramic image, algorithm, and the software. And we are also the only panoramic algorithm provider in China that receive investment from our member from Tencent, IBM, Dow Jones, blah, blah, blah. So this is our solution. There's a 4 level. What we can do, we can help people to produce panoramic camera. That means if you want to build a product with what is a panoramic camera? Okay, first, what is a panoramic camera? We get normal camera, and we get panoramic camera with multi-lens on 360 degree, make you capture picture from the space, and you can capture the image and translate it into a VR machine, and you see the whole space in one image or in one video. We will say nowadays VR is something that's very cool, but how to build VR content? You need something like you can build a 3D world with hand by hand and model by model. Somehow it's a little bit slow today. So how people trying to produce more content to fit the VR needs? People want to see VR and there's no content. Panoramic camera might be the first step. And we are here to help people without the base technology, which means image staging and image distortion. Without this kind of technology, we provide the core software and algorithm, and so people can build this kind of products. We get a 4 level of service. First of all, SDK. So we produce you SDK with the core algorithm, image staging, and all the calculations and image translating, transmission, distribution. We provide all the core features, and you can build your own app and build your own machine. You connect the app, your machine to the SDK and the app you build. You can build your own product. It's quite easy. And you can design your own AI, you can design your own app, you can do whatever you want. Second level is a DSP. This is a special chip. You can enter it, embed it into your hardware. Once you get it inside, you can use your hardware itself to finish the whole process of image stitching. And also, this is what we get by now. It's a 3K and 30 frames per second. Application. If you can't wait, you don't want to build anything by yourself, you can just use our completed application. The only thing you need to do is to connect your hardware with our application. And you design your own UI, or you can just use ours immediately. I will not say in a second, but maybe in a month, you can release your own product. And the final step is the software service. Because we are, we are the biggest algorithm solution provider now in China, in panoramic area. So we have so many customers. They are asking questions. They are requiring new features every month, every day. And we are improving our algorithm and the solutions all the time. So each 2 months, we will update something to our client if they need it. All right, so what kind of solution we can do? As we can see, sports camera, panoramic sports camera, and mobile accessory. This is the product built by our customer, and I would love to show one here, a basic demonstration so you can see what is a panoramic camera. All right, I didn't see this as a good idea. The mobile phone screen is very small. So if you have good eyes, good enough, you can see this is a single image, but it's 360 degree with everything inside. This is a mobile phone accessory. It's very popular by now in the market, and we can help you to produce this. This is one of our customers' products. It's called Xiaomei. Maybe you can try to buy one in the market. Sorry. That's mobile accessory. This is for commercial level, and this is for industry level. If you want to build something with live broadcasting power, and you want to 4K, 7K, 6K, more lens, and more clear image, we can support you to build that, even 7K. And we also have separate solutions. That means this is the image capture hardware, and the processor is on the other side of the internet. It can be a server, it can be a computer, it can be all the other kind of solutions. And what we have done already, security, driving recorder, sports camera, law enforcement, outdoor broadcasting, video conference, and the court trial broadcast. This is all finished by us. It's already in mass production by now, sports camera and live broadcasting. And we have a lot of cooperators in different areas, in different fields. They are using panoramic image. So advantage, first of all, our algorithm is embedded in CEVA XM4, XM6. CEVA is a DSP producer, and they are the biggest one in the world in image processing. Also, we are cooperating with Tencent Cloud, and with this solution, we solve the key part of live broadcasting. That means we have a cloud structure. We have the image and information distributing, and we also get the image capture and our algorithm. So it's a whole solution. And people, let's say, movie shooting or television, you can live broadcast panoramic videos, panoramic video stream. This is all kind of advantages we get in our algorithm. First of all, stitching algorithm, which means we stitch better than other people. I can't show you image or picture, but still you can see we take 30% less bandwidth with the same image quality in panoramic image and video. And this is, in the same time, this is our technology. It can overlap with other people's technology, like Google's technology or other people's algorithm or encoder or encoder to compress it again. That means this on any other solution. In plus, we save 30% more bandwidth. And also, because we do algorithm for 4 years, I mean, in panoramic camera industry, we are old, 4 years, but not too old, not too old. So deep learning, we talk about big data. What is big data? We have 100K samples and optical calibration experience. And we have different customers. They get all different kind of lens, different hardware and chip. That means we have experience dealing with different lens calibration on different forms, SDK and application. We do a long time. So we have something mutual already on mass production. You don't have to wait. And we can just transmit our solution to your hardware. Industry resource, also, because we have cooperators and partners in this industry. on different area. If you have any kind of problem, you can imagine that will happen when you're trying to build a panoramic product. Let's say a lens problem, hardware problem, or like we said, cloud structure, or image distribution. We have friends, we have cooperators that can help you to solve all these issues. Patents, we have few patents in China and overseas. This is some kind of compare with other brands. Calibration speed 3 to 5 seconds, so we are much faster than the industry average. Image stitching, this is a something gear 360. I mean, this is the first version, and if you compare, this is our algorithm, this is theirs. There's a little bit different here. If you see precisely, there's some color change, and also it's not that nature in the staging part. Algorithm, we can get a better bandwidth, as we said, and especially algorithm allows 3K videos, panoramic 3K videos to run on 2K limited environment. What that means? That means cell phone. A lot of our cell phones, they don't allow 3K videos to be played. But with our technology, most of our cell phones, they only support to 2K. You can display 2K video on your cell phone, but not 3K. With our technology, we allow 2K videos to play panoramic in 3K quality. That's one of our advantage. Business cooperation, well, this is the most exciting part. What we provide, as I have introduced, algorithm, software, cloud service, and some help from the industry chain. If you are a hardware producer and brands who can also work on firmware, we can help you directly. You don't need anybody else. We can help you directly. And you can produce and design your own panoramic camera and VR product immediately. That's what we can help you. You are our customer, our cooperator. If you are a hardware producer and brands, you can design a hardware, you can produce a hardware, but you can't work on firmware. We will introduce you to our customer or our partner. You might need a little help from them, so you can finally release your own product. So basically, if there's a hardware problem, you need to solve it on yourself. It's software, you leave it to us. This is some of our partners. CVAR, we invest, ARM invests us. That's why we get ARM. Allwinner, Rockchip, Intel, Tencent, Samsung, and Sonic, some other, NVIDIA. And here's how you can contact us. That's our website and our email and the cell phone. By the way, this is a big and ugly number. Our booth number is 11P27. If anybody is interested to cooperate with us, or you are interested in panoramic camera or industry, you can come to talk to us anytime. We are welcome. Thank you, everybody. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So please come to his booth if you're interested in the product. So here's all the products demonstration today. We would like to thank all of our exhibitors to presenting their fantastic product with us this morning and past 3 days. So there will be start of Launchpad product demonstration on 19th of April. That means next week, Wednesday, at 10:30 to 12. We hope to see you again next week. And thank you so much. Happy Easter and see you soon. Thank you.